Best way to finance a kitchen remodel, Reviewparks. There are a few options when it comes to financing a kitchen remodel. You can use a personal loan, a home equity loan, or a credit card. A personal loan is a loan from a bank or other financial institution that is not secured by your home. A credit card is a loan that is borrowing money from a bank or other financial institution. A credit card is a variable rate loan, meaning the interest rate can change over the life of the loan. Finally, you need to consider the terms of the loan. A personal loan typically has a term of 3 to 7 years. A home equity loan has a term of 10 to 20 years. If you have good credit and you need a lot of money, a home equity loan might be a good option. If you have bad credit or you need a smaller loan amount, a personal loan might be a good option. If you don't want to commit to a long-term loan, a credit card might be a good option. How to finance your kitchen remodel on a budget. Are you in the market for a new kitchen but don't have the budget to hire a professional contractor? Don't worry, there are plenty of ways to finance your kitchen remodel on a budget. Don't just go with the first kitchen remodeling company you find. If you have a good credit score, you might be able to get a low-interest credit card specifically for financing your kitchen remodel. If you don't have the cash on hand to pay for your kitchen remodel, you might want to take out a loan. There are a number of lenders who offer loans specifically for home improvements. If you have equity in your home, you might be able to take out a home equity loan to finance your kitchen remodel. This can be a great way to get a low interest rate and spread out the cost of the project over a number of years. If you're short on cash, you might want to sell some of your belongings to finance your kitchen remodel. There are a number of grants available for people who are planning to remodel their kitchen. You might want to check with your local government or civic organizations to see if they offer any grants for kitchen remodeling. If you don't have any other options, you might want to take out a personal loan to finance your kitchen remodel. This can be a risky option, but it might be worth considering if you have a good credit score. No matter how to choose to finance your kitchen remodel. The best way to finance a kitchen remodel. Draw out the plan of what you want your kitchen to look like and what materials you will need. If you're not sure if you can handle a kitchen remodel, start small. A kitchen remodel can be a great way to update your home and increase its value, but it can also be expensive. This may be the best option for you if you don't have the money saved up. No matter how you finance your kitchen remodel, make sure you plan ahead and stay within your budget. How to get the most for your money when financing a kitchen remodel. The average kitchen remodel costs around $20,000, but there are ways to get the most for your money. Don't wait until the last minute to start planning your remodel, as you may end up paying more. There are many different ways to remodel a kitchen, so consider all of your options before deciding on a plan. Don't be afraid to get creative with your remodel. It's important to stay within your budget when remodeling a kitchen. By following these tips, you can ensure that you get the most for your money when financing a kitchen remodel. What to consider when financing a kitchen remodel. If you're not sure where to start, consider talking to a kitchen designer or contractor. There are many different types of financing available to businesses. Debt financing is when a business borrows money from the lender. Equity financing is when the business raises money from investors. There are also other types of financing available, such as government loans, private loans, and factoring. The type of financing that is best for a business depends on the business's needs and the terms of the financing. A business should carefully consider its needs and the terms of the financing before deciding which type to use.